lick the balls, lick the balls, lick the balls. No brata, no matter what, no God. Nice shape, you're pretty for your barn. I want you come and just bubble up and get down. I show the haters, them I really have a one. You got the bodies dancing on the whole session. Fling it up and jiggle up and vibrate now. Boom! Bang bang, but what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Blast! Straight out of Jamaica, now we're here with another reaction for you guys. Yeah! It's the week! The weekend is finally over. So they call for rapid videos today. Much time I got say rapid now one day. Rapid videos today. As I say right now, I have Vybz Kartel freestyle. WAP freestyle. You hear me I say? This song, most of the music video to this song, the original song, it got blocked worldwide. So I had to post the video on my Instagram. So if you want to see me react to Cardi B and Megan this time, big batty at work and be something, go up on Instagram, go watch a full reaction. You see that video here right now, or that song I'm going to react, the freestyle I'm going to react to. I know I can't take a copyright with me. I have to ask Christ. You see me? I can't be to anyone to go up and cut it and go scroll down when I sing it copyright with me. Not ask Christ. But guess what? Them call me the past boss. So you know, so everything was a 40. I not sit better react to the song, you know. Somebody sent it to me before I can't tell the post I can react to it, you know. But you know, me be busy on the weekend. I'm not taking for listen to the backside thing. But I'm seeing post it now. So I say, okay, it's an official thing. So I check it out. People comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You know, post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Like up the video so more people can get to see the reaction bar. So under 30,000 subscribers. So please consider subscribing to the channel today if you're not already subscribed to the kids channel. We're growing. We're growing to shine. You understand? Cartel. Let me see what you do. What on there? Shout out to whoever do that cover work here because, brother, you're bad. WAP. Remix. Refix. Anyway, now I meant that. Go on! And it now, blood clothes, please. Good tune! But I still love you. But I still love you. But I still love you. Alright. But you tell us that the past was isn't fully like, you know, never hear. Alright, Cartel. Go on!
I said certified free.
Yeah.
7 days a week.
I'm gonna want to hear that part with Cardi B because I get black. Me have a look up. Me hurt. Me not like do the work and if they get black, so I go through the song until me hear Adi. Me done talk.
Wet ass, make that pussy, make it weak.
Come in now, your mouth. Alright. Now you ready for this now? Honestly, I don't want your I don't want you to be your voice in the video because I get black. I saw me turn over here, so I want to see the reaction them, though. Alright, let's see what I go on now. Right, you know I do this now. Brainwash, fuck your heart and shut your ears as loud like ravers in Las Vegas. Dig out your belly. Say go fuck hard, Addy. They go boxer in her ears, dog. Addy, what you some bumbuckle bell cross? What the girl let me to you? You go knock your girl hard. Ration. Beat at the punish. No! That's what we not go do. You're too ration, dog. Go on, still Cartel. Ram that like free fi come in. Ya bad gal shelly, I'll drape up your pum pum. Hey gal, tapping nice, cause What? Dog! Why you got drape up the pum? I blow the hand to blood clot. You got drape up the pum pum, dog. Yes, a ration. Yes, a blood clot ration. Why you got drape up the pum pum for? You know, say only me literally drape up in the dog. That's so over exaggerating. Yo! Go on. Suck the tip, lick the balls, lick the ball, no brata, no matter what, no God. I mean, what I'm saying to the tip, girl, suck the tip, lick the balls. Me can't do it offbeat. But look a girl, the man tell him how to do it. He might walk on through it, the process of everything. You see me, I say, man, say, if I deal with the tip first, then you forgot. Then you do what? Slap out the bar, lick up the bar, so look a girl. Then me, I say, man, I thought, oh, I can show it. And then me, I say, then the man said, no, brata. I who say brata? So I tell me, say, I want freestyle, man. This alka blind. I may assume things. I who say brata? A long time that's that different. Go on!
No matter what, no data. Spread out on the pole, I'll jam me stamp it like a postmaster and paint your face.
Youth, the man say I'm going to stamp it like a postmaster. You can go on and know about that. Spread up, clot like a pole. Blood clot. Yo. Yo. Jano, go on. Go.
Miss Sherwin Williams, head girl with brilliance, head girl with millions, head girl with brilliance,
Head girl with millions. Bumbleclad youth. Cartel bad. But what me want to know is, wait. Oh, this song just dropped like a 1 day ago. Are you listening that day? And the freestyle it do? Hold on, pause. The song dropped 1 day. Gotta tell you I'm freestyle to the song already. Something go on. Go on! Now think about it.
girl with millions.
Yeah,
You done, Addy?
beat it up, nigga, catch us inside. Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes, right in this little garage. Make it.
Oh Lord, it done. This is probably one of the shortest reaction I ever watching on a live on YouTube, but I said I go more on to see the video of them. Because you know how much reaction I waste my time, do dog. I don't say waste my time, but you know how much reaction I take my lovely time out of my day. Do video lit the bumbo clot in the dog. Post it on YouTube, it get black. But me, then people ask why I don't really do American reactions. I do them, you know. But no, I'm still gonna do them in the dog. You see me, I say dog. But like, I'm not like I make my every day and then gonna get black worldwide. That is not pretty. That is not nice. All Jamaican song they do it for too. That's why some of the artists when them drop them song and them tell me run go do it dog because the least little thing, you see me? And I don't know me like my YouTube channel dog. You see me and say dog, I don't want to fuck it up dog and I'm not telling them. I make a video giving them some advice because other people want to know how to do reactions and them things. Then I talk to them. I teach you know. I teach you know. But when we reach 100K first though, I teach you know. I'm out.